Hello, this is me Ishani from Tech Basics. Today in this tutorial video, we'll learn about how to log in to Data Lawyer from the website. So the very first step is to open your browser. After opening your browser, click on the URL and type Data Lawyer. Now click on the first link. Now you can change the language as you prefer. I'm choosing English language. Now to log in, you can see the login option on the navigation bar. Click on it. Now again you can change language as you prefer. Now you need your email and your password to log in. Now type in your email. Now type in your password. If you have forgotten your password, you can click on this link and recover your password. And you can check on this box if you want your browser to save your information. Now click on access and you are able to log in. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to comment down below. Thank you.